Welcome back to Life of Birch. This is Birch, and today I'm going to be showing you step by step how to put new clutch and brake levers on your Honda Rebel 300 or 500.
Perfect.
All right, now that that little intro is out of the way, if it seems like I don't have as much energy as I normally do, or if I sound stuffed up, it is because I'm sick. I'm super congested, and it turns out that I have a double ear infection, but the show must go on. And with that said, this install is so easy that you can literally do it while you're sick. So let's get started. All right, so today we're gonna be putting on some adjustable levers from MZS Tuning, although these instructions will work for any levers that you wanna put on your Rebel. And then these are the tools you're gonna need, very minimal. Just need a 10mm socket or wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and some sort of lubricant for when you put the levers on. I prefer white lithium grease spray, so that's what we have, as well as a rag to wipe off any excess. First things first, let's take a look at what levers I got. Like I said, these are from MZS Tuning. These are the gold ones with the adjustable wheel. These are super awesome because not only are they decent quality, but they're only 40 bucks from Amazon, and I've ran these on my previous bike, my VFR 750, and was super pleased with them. For 40 bucks, you really cannot go wrong. Not only does it change the look of the bike, but it also changes the feel of it because these are adjustable with several different settings, so you can control how far away the lever is from the grip. So if you have smaller hands or bigger hands or just want a different feel, these are exactly what you're looking for. I'm going to put a link to these in the description, and keep in mind that any of the links that are in the description for parts, if you buy through them, they're Amazon affiliate links, so it's a great way to support the channel. Anything that you buy through those links is going to cost you no extra, but it's going to give 4.5% back to the channel to support being able to buy new parts and making more videos. So if you do that, I would really appreciate it. And I'm really excited to see how these look on the bike, because the gold is just gonna look so nice, both with the yellow headlight cover and the orange tank. So I'm super excited to get these on. Like I said, they're only 40 bucks. I think I spent like actually 38 bucks on them as compared to some of the more expensive levers, but the quality is all there. I ran them on my VFR 750 for years without any issues, so definitely the best bang for your buck as far as I'm concerned. All right, now that we've taken a look at the levers, let's go ahead and get the stock ones off. This is super easy. All you're gonna do is put your flathead in there and your 10mm on there and loosen both of those. The nut's obviously gonna come off, and then the bolt is gonna thread out as well. That's gonna go for this side, and the same thing for this side as well. So let's go ahead and get those off. All right, so as you saw, the brake lever just pops right out. Only difference with the clutch lever is that it is a cable in there. So in order to get that one out, what you want to do is go ahead and spin this all the way over to that side, then tighten it all the way in to relieve some of the tension on the clutch cable. And then from there, you'll be able to pull it out a little bit further and see that the cable is in that little hole. So you just want to line it up and get the cable straight out of there and pop it out that way. All right, so here's exactly what you're gonna be looking at. You're gonna have that little hole and that channel that you need the round head of the clutch cable to pop right out of. Now that the stock levers are off, we just need to put these levers on, and it's gonna be the exact same thing, just in the reverse, keeping in mind that with the clutch lever, obviously you're gonna need to put the cable in that channel again. And then, yeah, just do exactly what we just did in reverse to put them on. So pop them right on, and then we're just gonna slide these through and tighten them down, making sure that we're gonna spray some white lithium grease spray on here, just so that everything stays all nice and free and nothing binds up when you tighten things down. Boom, and just like that, they're on, nice and easy. Only thing to note is, like I said, I definitely oversprayed on the lubricant here, so I'm gonna wipe the excess off of there, And then of course, once this side is on, you're gonna wanna thread that back out to get the right tension on it, and then thread that back down to lock it in place. And of course, make sure to test both of the levers out to make sure that they're good before you go out riding. Now this wheel right here turns, and you can see it has plenty of places where it'll click into place and hold that lever there. So you can spin it all the way down and have it as close to the bars as you want it, or spin it all the way out and have it as far away from the bars as you want it. So this is awesome, not only if you have small hands or bigger hands, you can set it where you want, but for me, I want to have it in the right place because I feel like it'll help me when I learn how to do wheelies. Shameless plug, go check out my wheelie video. There's going to be another one coming once these are on, or I mean now that these are on. And then of course these are also plenty shorter than the stock levers as well, so it'll be easier to kind of just two finger it as opposed to one to use your whole hand. And actually, let's compare them real quick. So here's the stock lever comparatively. You can see it's not super longer, but you know, enough that these clean up the look decently. So there you have it, guys. Less than 40 bucks and only like 10-15 minutes of your time, and not only have you drastically improved the looks of the bike, but also you've improved the ergonomics of it, because of course you can set how far away the levers are from the handlebars, which helps out a ton. So honestly, I think this is one of the easiest and best modifications you can do to the bike. I don't know what took me so long to do it, aside from the fact that I ordered the wrong levers at first. So be careful on Amazon. Make sure you go through my link, and like I said, if you go through the link, it helps out the channel, so that would mean a lot to me. Make sure to also check out my channel, because I have tons of other install videos for every other part that's on the bike. Anything from the passenger seat pegs to the crash bars to literally anything that I've done to the bike is on there. Got tons of other moto vlog videos and all that kind of good stuff. So thanks so much for watching. Hopefully it helped you guys out. Sorry the energy level wasn't quite there, but I promise I'll be back to normal soon as all of these antibiotics start kicking in. But anyways, as always, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Peace.